Namaste friends, welcome to Yoga with Abhay. I am Abhay. For the month of October, we are conducting a 31-day weight loss challenge. So those of you wishing to take up the same can do so. Things to remember about weight loss. The first thing is you need to be in a calorie deficit mode. So for that we have given the formula to calculate the basal metabolic rate or the BMR, which gives you the amount of calories that you consume just by existing for your various body processes and the amount of daily activities that you do and a good 7 to 8 hours sleep. Sleep is very important. Don't miss out on sleep, because if you miss sleep or sleep less, you will tend to gain weight more. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go and use that formula. You need to substitute your height, weight, age and calculate your BMR calorie value, multiply it by a factor of 1.2 for the minimal activity, and you will get the amount then of calories that you consume for just existing. Then what you need to do is you need to focus on your diet. You need to plan out your diet the day before to eat about lesser calories than your BMR calorie value. That is about 100 to 200 calories lesser than that you're consuming daily. So for example, if my BMR value comes out to 1500 calories, I need to eat about 1300 to 1400 calories daily. So that will ensure that I am calorie deficit. Apart from that, you need to turn up for the yoga sessions daily. And one more thing about the type of food, I will not ask you to go on any specific diet, but if you're on one currently, do so, continue doing so, but otherwise try to include all the major food groups, the carbohydrates, fats, proteins and vitamins. Try and eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, especially early morning. You can have some fruits. You can have breakfast of maybe Indian breakfast of maybe consisting of more of proteins like moong, dosas or besan chillas. Try and avoid white rice based breakfast like poha, upma and other dosa and other things, but focus on probably more dal based breakfast. For lunch you can have rotis, chapatis, whole grain breads. Try and avoid again white rice. You can have a dal or lentils for vegetarians as protein, and for non-vegetarians you can have lean meats like chicken and fish, but try to ensure that the preparations are not too rich or oily. Try and consume some amount of fat in the form of oils, but not too much. And similarly for dinner, you can snack in the evening on some nuts or something like that. But the main thing to importantly, you need to calculate and count the amount of calories that you are intaking. So for that also there are some links given of sites where you can get the values for typical Indian foods, but you can use any other sites and calculate the same. Also you could use any available calculators for apps for calculating the same, but the main thing to remember is to be in a calorie deficit mode. And then the next thing that you need to do is you need to show up for the daily yoga sessions. I will be uploading a different session every day, so you need to practice that daily, at least 6 days a week, and 1 day a week you can take a break. So the format of the sessions is it will be initially a small warm-up or Sukshma Vyayam. There is a specific video also available of Sukshma Vyayam. You can also try that or part of it as a warm-up, and then you need to start your Surya Namaskar cycles, and there will be a Surya Namaskar cycle. If you haven't done it, so don't worry, the first 2 cycles will be very slow. You can try and learn them initially for the first day or even now, and then join from the next cycles, which will be picking up pace. So after the Surya Namaskar cycles are over, there will be a short gap followed by different yoga session, yoga asana sequence, which will be aimed at specific areas like core, the arm strength or the legs and thighs. So after that there will be a cooling down sequence of asanas, and finally a shavasana cycle, so that you come out relaxed and ready to take on the day ahead. So do this session every day regularly, and I'm sure that within the every week approximately 750 to 1.5 kilograms you will lose, or depending on your diet, how you are able to control your diet and do the sessions regularly. So at the end of the month, around 4 to 5 kilos of weight should be definitely possible for anyone, provided you follow these things. So looking forward to seeing you guys in the weight loss challenge, and do start from the first and continue till the 31st. Thank you so much.